Hey guys, thanks for watching again. So in this video I'll show you guys how to do some basic pin curls using some materials that mostly every girl have already in her house, which is just hairpins and a curling iron, or you can use the curling wand if you have a curling wand. Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels. So as you're twisting the hair around the curling iron, you want to make sure that you're twisting the hair itself and not just twisting it around the curling iron, if that makes sense. You want to twist the hair as you're twisting the hair around the curling iron. Or if you want, you can just curl the hair as you normally curl your hair when you're using a curling iron. That'll be fine as well. It just depends on the type of curls that you're going for. But for this video's sake, the type of curls that I wanted, which was just a loose, flowy feel, I just did it as if I was using a curling wand. But if you have a curling wand, then you would do the same thing. So whenever you finish your entire head, this is what it would look like. And as you start to pull them apart, this is what they would look like. And so if you want, you can keep them as is. Me, I didn't really like this tight uniform curl look, so I did comb them out a bit. And so this is the end results of the wigs that I created. And you can purchase it at bollywigs.com.